Hello, my dear students. Have you ever wondered, have you seen the around out there? Yes, taste delicious food, hearing your favorite music, smell flowers, or feel fluffy pillows. Yes, all thanks to our senses. Did you know you have five senses? Fantastic. These five senses help you understand and enjoy the world around you. These senses are touch, taste, hear, smell, see, sight. So, first we write the date, CW science. My topic is my senses. Let's write the sense of sight. 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 आपने रिदम के साथ इसको याद करना है, इसके स्पेल याद करने हैं. नेक्स्ट सेंस इज स्मेल. SMELL. स्मेल. ऐसे ही आप लाइन को टच करके आप वर्ड्स लिखेंगे और आपने 4 टाइम इसको राइट करना है. ओके. साइट एंड स्मेल. जी.